Welcome back. Good morning. You're watching Times Now Live and I'm Swati Joshi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken a jibe at the Congress for the appreciation that came in from a former Pak minister, Fawad Chaudhry, who shared a clip of Rahul Gandhi's speech and the caption was Rahul on fire. A social media post by former Pakistani minister Chaudhry Fawad Hussain became the latest flashpoint between the BJP and the Congress ahead of the third phase of Lok Sabha election. In his post, the former Pakistani minister shared some portions of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's speech and wrote Rahul on fire. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has been questioning the rishta between the Congress and a neighboring country, Pakistan. Prime Minister has also taken a veiled jibe at Rahul Gandhi. The Prime Minister raises this appreciation post by the ex-Pak Mantri. Prime Minister says Pak Prem for Congress's Shehzada becomes absolutely clear now. Pranesh is joining us with more details. Pranesh, the Prime Minister himself now taking this jibe at the Congress, questioning the Pak Prem.
Let's make no mistake about it. This is, a carefully crafted strategy of the BJP, and it was only about time that the Prime Minister spoke about it. We've seen other leaders of the BJP. In fact, we were the first to pick up this story after Chaudhry Fawad Hussain, the former Pakistani minister, picked up a tweet in which Rahul's campaign rally clips were there, and he reposted it with a comment that said Rahul on fire. For the first time in the election campaign now, the Prime Minister making a direct jibe on the Congress party. He started by saying that I wasn't wrong when I compared the Congress manifesto to that of the Muslim League. And look how the Pakistanis are cheering Shehzada. This was what the Prime Minister said. He never takes Rahul Gandhi's name. But while this is a veiled jibe, it's a direct attack on the Congress party and the brand of politics that the Prime Minister has been highlighting over his rally. Now, this will really alter the poll discourse. We are also trying to connect to our political commentators who will inject more light on it. But for the first time in the 2024 campaign, after Prime Minister's Muslim League analogy, Swati, we have a direct Pakistani link, and guess where it came from? Fawad Chaudhry presented it on a platter. Fawad Chaudhry was praising Rahul Gandhi. That has been picked up by the Prime Minister now to attack the Congress party. He says the reason Pakistan is cheering Rahul Gandhi and Congress party because they want a weak government in India so that they can manipulate it. That is what the Prime Minister has said. Let's listen to that reaction.
आपको पता चला होगा कांग्रेस के लिए अब पाकिस्तानी नेता दुआ कर रहे हैं। शहजादे को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान उतावला है। आपने कल देखा होगा। और हम तो जानते ही है कांग्रेस तो पाकिस्तान की मुरीदी है। पाकिस्तान और कांग्रेस की ये पार्टनरशिप अब पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो गई है। भाइयों और बहनों, देश के दुश्मनों को आज भारत में मजबूत सरकार नहीं चाहिए, उनको कमजोर सरकार चाहिए। और ऐसी कमजोर सरकार जो मुंबई में 26/11 को आतंकी के हमले के समय थी ना, वैसी कमजोर डोजियर भेजने वाली है। देश के दुश्मनों को वैसी ही करप्ट सरकार चाहिए जो 2014 से पहले थी। देश के दुश्मनों को वैसी ही अस्थिर सरकार चाहिए जो 2014 से पहले देश में थी। मोदी की मजबूत सरकार न झुकती है और न ही रुकती है।
Mohit is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Mohit, the Prime Minister says the partnership between Pakistan and Congress is exposed. Pakistani netas are praying for Congress. They want to make Shehzada the Prime Minister.
Well, yes, in fact, in run-up to the 2024 elections, and we are two phases over from the elections, Swati, we see that analogy of Pakistan has come into the play, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hit out at the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Pakistan is praying for the Shahzada of the Congress party, that is Rahul Gandhi. So clearly, Prime Minister says that the partnership between the Congress and Pakistan has been completely exposed. Now, it comes in the backdrop of the fact that Chaudhry Fawad Hussain, who has been a former information and broadcasting minister of Pakistan, who is known to...
All right, Mohit, stay on with us. We are joined by Shahzada